Yo, what up guys? As you all know, it's your boy NS Tricks and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time coming across my video, please make sure you are hitting the subscribe button, and also please turn on the notification for all so you get notified whenever I drop a video. Okay, so right here in this video I'm going to teach you 3 possible ways that you can install a WordPress theme or plugin. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first 2 ways, and finally the third way I'm going to install the theme using the third method. Okay, so I'm actually excited making this video because it's actually something that I've wanted to do in a while now, but thankfully, yeah, we are up right now. So if you like this video, please make sure you're giving it a thumbs up, and if eventually you have any question in between the video, and then or maybe you have a video topic you want me to make a video on, please just leave it in the comment section below and I'll do well to give it a response. Okay, a suitable response. Yeah, that's it. So right now, without wasting much time, let's get started into the video. Okay, as you all can see right here, I'm already logged into my WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, for the sake of this video, I made a fresh installation of WordPress just for me to show you how this works. Okay, so I'm already logged into my WordPress admin dashboard. If you actually don't know how to install WordPress and you are keen to know that, right about your screen right now, I will leave a link to a video I made on how to install WordPress. So you might have to click on that video and watch it and then come back and continue with this video. But if you are good to go, let's get started. Okay, so right now you can see I'm already on my admin dashboard, and for me to install a WordPress theme, normally I'll just go to appearance and I'll click on themes. Okay, that is the normal traditional way to install a WordPress theme. And right here you can see all the themes available for me already installed. Okay, but then only this is activated. But then if I want to install a new theme, I'm just going to click on add new theme. So after I click on add new theme, I'm going to see a drop down of themes that are available for me to actually install. Okay, so all these themes are coming from the WordPress repository. All of them are actually available in WordPress repository, so you can actually click on anyone and install. So most of them are totally free and some of them are freemium, which means they have the basic features for free, and then if you want more features you can actually subscribe to their available plans. Okay, so right now you can see all the themes available. You can keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. You can go down and down and down and down till forever, right? So there are a lot of themes available in WordPress repository. Okay, so and you can as well use the search feature right here and type the name of the theme you are actually looking for, and it's going to pop up and you click on it and install it. So this right here is the first way that you can actually install a WordPress theme. For example, I want to install the hello right here. I'm going to click on it, install, and go ahead and click on activate. Okay, and also the Astra theme right here. If I want to install the Astra theme, I can go ahead and click on install right here and also activate it from there. Okay, so that is actually the first way I can install a WordPress theme. Now the second way I can go ahead and install a WordPress theme is when I actually have the theme file on my computer. So if I have the theme file on my computer, I can go ahead and click upload theme right here, and I will go ahead and click choose file. Okay, so whenever I choose the file, I'm going to click install right here, and the theme will actually be installed, and I will go ahead and click on activate to activate the theme. Okay, so right about now let's go over the third method of installing a WordPress theme, and which I'm actually totally excited about. Okay, so right now I would not be using the first method, which is the WordPress repository, and obviously I won't be using the second method, which is the upload theme upload method. And now right about now I'm going to use the third method, which is actually from the file manager. Okay, so come over to your cPanel right here and you're going to click on file manager. Okay, so when you click on file manager, you're going to go to the public_HTML right here. You can see that public_HTML. So I'll open that up, and inside my public_html, the WordPress installation I'm working on right here, you can see it's installed in the WP tutorial directory over here. So I'm going to go to the WP tutorial directory. This right here is the directory, so I'm going to open that up, and you can now see I have the WordPress installation right here. I'll have the folders and the files as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to click on the WP content. So go into the WP content directory, and you can see I have directory for plugins, and I also have directory for themes as well. So right about now I'm going to click on themes because I actually want to install a theme. Okay, so I'm going to click on themes. So you can see right here I have 3 themes available on my WordPress installation. Okay, so if I go back to the WordPress right here, you can see, and if I click on themes, you can see I have the 3 themes available right here. I have the 2024, I have the 2023, and I have the 2022. Okay, so you can see that the 2024, the 23, and the 22. So if I want to delete any of them, I can easily delete it from here. For example, I want to delete the 2022. I right click on it and I click on delete, and skip and trash permanently. So I click delete. Okay, you can see that's gone. So if I come up to WordPress right here and I reload this page, I'm not going to see the 2022 right here. For example, let me go ahead and reload the page. Okay, you can see it's gone. It's really gone. Okay, so now that shows me that I can actually, upload a theme from here. Okay, all right guys, so right now the 2022 theme that I went ahead to delete from here, I'm also going to upload it back from here. Okay, so I have it downloaded from wordpress.org. I have the theme file downloaded from wordpress.org, so I'm just going to click on upload right now so I can be able to upload it back and then have it installed again. Okay, so this is it right here. I'm just going to drag and drop it right here, and it's loading actually, so I'm gonna give it some time. All right guys, so as you can see right now, I've uploaded the 2022 zip file, and I'll click on go back right here. So when I click on go back, you can see I now have the zip file right here. So I'm just going to right click on it, and then I'll click extract. Okay, so I will extract it obviously to the themes directory, and then the exact folder is actually extracted. So I'm just going to click on reload right here to be able to see that. You can see the 2022 right here. Okay, so when I go back to WordPress right here, you can see I don't have any 2022 right. Okay, so when I click on reload, I'm going to actually see the 2022 right here. You can see that, so I can just go ahead and click on activate to activate the theme. So that's how to upload the WordPress theme from the file manager, and it is the exact same way when it comes to plugins. Okay, so for example, you want to install a plugin from the the file manager, you just come back and then you go into the plugins folder right here. So you can just go ahead and click on upload, and then upload the plugin file, and then from there you extract it, and you're going to see it when you go over to the plugins section. You're going to see the plugin. Okay, you're going to see it right here. So all you just need to do is click on activate to be able to use the plugin. Okay guys, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you actually enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question or any suggestion, just leave it in the comment section below. So if you're new to my YouTube channel as well, hit the subscribe button and make sure you are turning on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna see you real quick. Peace.